Welcome to this Come Volunteer tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your event form. So you'll see I'm already on the dashboard. From the sidebar menu, I'm going to select Event Form. Now you'll see that it's already pulling in some styling, and that's because my event is attached to Rodeo Ticket, and so it's matching my registration and ticketing form. So it's already pulling in my logo, which is great. It's pulling in the background and foreground color I picked, and also the background image, which is really nice. Now, if you're just starting your form, you can adjust the background color here, your foreground color here. You can click to upload your logo right here. If you want to add a photo, you can click on Settings, and you'll click Use Background Image and upload the image. So that's really nice and convenient. Also in Settings, you can enable the job selection question. So then people can pick their jobs. Also in Settings, you can enable the job selection question. So then people can also pick their jobs, or you can just show jobs, locations, and shifts, whichever one you prefer. If you want to allow people to sign up for multiple jobs, you can do that here. And then we have the form opacity next, and that is what the foreground color looks like. So if I close this, you'll see that this is a little bit transparent, this red-brown here, and I can change that opacity level on form opacity here. And then the last thing you can do in Settings is enable address questions. So if you want to ask people for their address information, you can do that here. I'm going to leave that on for now, and then we'll hit close. Okay, the other thing you'll notice is that we have some pre-stock questions here. So first and last name, email address, phone number, and then birth date. You can also add a waiver agreement. So you can customize your waiver here. You can bold, italicize, underline. You can do more with styling of that. Once you're happy with what your waiver looks like, you can save that. If you don't have a waiver, you can just leave it alone. And then the next thing you'll want to do is add questions. So you can create your own question, of course, but we also have some pre-selected questions here as well. So we'll put in t-shirt size, and we'll do adult sizes here. And once we're happy with those settings, we'll go ahead and click Add to Form. And now you see here, we've got our t-shirt question now at the bottom. We'll go ahead and add one more question. Say, how did you hear about this event? And we'll click Add to Form, and that's great. And you'll see that I can click and drag the order of these however I want. If I need to go back and edit, I can click on this edit button here as well. So that's great. Really quickly, when it comes to creating your own question, you have a couple of options. We have some multiple choice options. So you can do a drop down, a radio, or a checkbox for multiple choice questions. And then we also have freeform text questions. So a single line text question, or a multi-line text question if you want to do like a little bit longer of a paragraph answer here. All right, so that is how you set up your form. Let's go see what our form looks like now. So I'm going to go to the event dashboard. All right, so we're going to click on this link to our registration page. Now we will see what it looks like when everyone's signing up. There's all of our information. They can select a job here. So they can opt for setup, and because we turned on the settings for shift assignments, they can check which shift they want to do. They can add another job, and then they can select a location as well here. So that's really nice. It helps you get everything organized really quickly and easily if you do it that way. And then we've got our t-shirt sizes, of course, and our other question, and then they will submit and get confirmation of their volunteer sign up. So it's pretty quick and easy. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.